Advertising and digital marketing are the part of full-fledged marketing. Any marketing activity requires a plan, and that plan needs to have data that make any marketing activity successful. Let's dig into the details of data and uses of analytics. The world is changing day by day. Already the world population is increasing, and it's about to reach 8 billion soon. The people are the primary source for marketing, and they are the final consumers of any product or service. They are analyzing the consumers what makes a business successful, and data analytics is the part of analyzing the consumer behaviors. Consumer behaviors are the main driving force to the companies to implement their digital marketing activities as well as advertising campaigns. Let's discuss in detail about data analytics, how it is impacting advertisement and digital marketing. Predict audience interactions. The main goal of data analytics is to predict what your customers are actually. It is measured based on the interactions on the business website. Companies are analyzing this behavior through ad placements on their social media platforms. Most of the consumers are using online streaming platforms like Netflix. That makes it much easier to analyze consumer trends. More robust social platforms like YouTube analyze the users by directing them by using cookies and hotspot to watch different contents online. Viewers will be interested watch when that is related to their interest, if not they will directly skip the same and go back to another video, and even video length determines their interest. Examine customer retention and acquisition. Most of the time we see clicking on a link, video or product doesn't mean that sale will happen through the customer. Most people view that and leave that at the moment. It doesn't specify that a product is popular or not. If we analyze this data, marketing managers save much time by seeing the reports of tap clicks. A business who analyze the data of their links and videos, they will get the maximum returns in their future advertising and digital marketing efforts. First of all, what made the customer click on that link? Is that thumbnail was attractive, the content persuades people, or the picture of a model interested them, or they clicked in fluke. By analyzing all this, data will get back to start a great medium of business with the help of digital marketing and advertising online. Accelerate in targeting audience. Targeted advertising is an effective way to make customers drive to your page. For that, business should need to have a plan how to make this happen. This is where data analytics has its ways. The more we knew about the customers, the more we can attract them to come back to our site. To analyze how long they are sticking to an advertisement when they are searching for something on the internet. By using targeting advertisement strategies, companies can boost up their revenue like anything. For example, suppose a customer is searching for real estate properties online, and he is searching in a different source. In that case, Google Analytics is measuring the time and giving the exact results to the customer like real estate properties from other companies. In this way, companies can boost up their profits to the heights of the sky. Media scheduling. If we observe many customers are punctual, and they will wait for the product launch or some updates from their desired companies. For example, every year Apple Incorporation release their iPhones in the year November 2nd week. If Apple doesn't show its next update, then the company is misguiding the people, and people lost their interest. So understanding the customer perspective and making them available is what business will run in successful routes. Monetization as an art. Persuading people to purchase something is an art, and advertising alone cannot determine people to buy. There are multiple reasons behind people to buy something from the business. They might be age, location, weather, salary and accessibility. There is a proverb that customers are likely to purchase when they like to spend. Knowing the customer state of mind will determine businesses to target their customers when we got their details means half of the sale already happened. Then the company can easily define what leads to the sale. In short, data analytics can determine what your customer wants from you and how business can reach them to provide. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.